Hey there, wealth builders! This is the King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, come join your king on a financial adventure as we're here to discuss something very exciting that could potentially change your life. How to invest your first $1,000. Trust me, wealth builders, I have some of the best investment options up my sleeves, tailored just for your first investment journey. So, without further ado, listen up and let's get started. Alright, first things first, you may be surprised to know that according to a recent study, specifically from Go Banking Rates, over 50% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings. Can you feel how sad that is? In fact, wealth builders, this statistic is alarming because it means that many are just one emergency away from financial distress. But here's the point. If you have $1,000 saved up, congratulations! You are not only in a better position than many, but also capable of starting your first investment. Now, you might be wondering, King, is $1,000 really enough to start our investment journey? The answer, wealth builders, is yes. Absolutely yes. $1,000 is a fantastic amount to kickstart your investment goals. Sure, it's not a life-changing fortune, but with the right strategy and options, you can make it grow significantly over time. But remember, no matter the amount, all investments carry risks. And my duty today as your king is to simply guide you on how to wisely invest your first grand, taking into account the potential risks and rewards. Alright, before we dive into the investment options, of course, we don't want to rush things, and actually, there are a few things you need to consider: your current financial standing and your tolerance for risks. Let's discuss the first one, your current financial standing. Wealth builders, before diving into the world of investing, it's crucial to assess your own financial health. Ask yourself, have you successfully paid off any high-interest debt that could be a significant burden? Having a clean slate in this area is important as it ensures that you're not losing money through high interest while trying to make gains in your investments. Moreover, do you have an emergency fund in place? Life is unpredictable, and I, as your king, must say that it's wise to have a safety net before you allocate money elsewhere. A well-funded emergency fund can give you peace of mind and financial security, ensuring that unexpected expenses won't derail your investment plans. Make sure you're in a good financial position, with debts under control and a secure emergency fund before investing your first grand. This solid foundation will set you up for success in your investment journey. Now, the second thing to consider before taking the plunge into the world of investing is your tolerance for risks. It's a truth universally acknowledged in the finance world that all investments carry some level of risk. Are you the kind of person who thrives on adrenaline and is comfortable with the idea of high-risk, high-reward options? Or does the mere thought of losing your hard-earned money keep you up at night, making you lean towards safer investment options? Your king wants you to know yourself in terms of risks. Understanding your risk tolerance is a vital part of making informed investment decisions. It's like knowing how much spice you can handle in your food. Too much, and you'll have a bad experience. Too little, and you may feel unsatisfied. Wealth builders, knowing your risk tolerance will help you pick investments that align with your comfort level and financial goals. It's a key step to ensure you're not biting off more than you can chew and to set you up for a successful investment journey. Now, the part that I know you all have been waiting for, the different varieties of investment options. Wealth builders, based on experience and careful study, I've come up with a list of options where you can invest your first grand efficiently, and these are under the categories of stocks and funds. Alright, the first one is stock. Just to remind you, wealth builders, a stock is a piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're basically buying a tiny part of that company. This means you get to share in a company's profits and sometimes have a say in how the company is run. Now, the first stock on our list is Apple Inc. Apple is a well-established company with a strong track record of innovation and revenue growth, making it an enticing option for those investing their first $1,000 in stocks. As a market leader in the technology sector, Apple has consistently demonstrated its ability to stay ahead of the curve, developing groundbreaking products and services that captivate consumers worldwide, including us. From the sleek design of its iPhones to the seamless integration of its software ecosystem, Apple's commitment to quality and user experience has solidified its position as a global powerhouse. For the second investment option in stocks, we have the electrifying Tesla Inc. Wealth builders, Tesla is at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution and is also a major player in the renewable energy sector. Investing in Tesla can be an exciting high-growth opportunity for first-time investors, as the company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive and energy industries. The stock has also seen remarkable growth in recent years, reflecting the market's confidence in Tesla's vision and potential. If you believe in a future powered by clean energy and cutting-edge transportation solutions, Tesla might be one of the perfect options for your first grand investment. Now, let's talk about the options under the funds. The first one is the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI. This fund is a stellar entry point for those new to investing, as it provides broad exposure to the entire US stock market. Imagine it as a one-stop shop where you get a piece of thousands of companies offering a balanced mixture of both large corporations and small startups, which can lead to diversification and long-term growth potential. Investing in VTI is like boarding a well-rounded investment vehicle, with its low expense ratio making it a cost-effective way to participate in the stock market's growth. This ETF is known for its reliability, and believe you me, this can be an excellent first step on your investment journey with that first $1,000. Now, the second fund we have is the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund, also known as FZROX. Wealth builders, this one is a game changer for those looking to make the most out of their first grand investment. Like the VTI, FZROX gives you access to the total US stock market. But here's the kicker. It has a zero expense ratio. That's right, you heard your king right. You won't be paying any fees on this fund, allowing you to keep all your returns. It's like getting a front row seat to the entire market's performance without any cost. Investing in FZROX means your money gets to work harder for you by maximizing your returns and minimizing costs, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. Alright, that's a wrap! But before we end this episode, here's a fun question for you, wealth builders. What other financial goals do you have? And how can investing your first $1,000 help you achieve them? Let us know in the comments below. Your king here would love to hear your personal goals. So, there you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.